Hi everyone, I'm Artemisa. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making something very delicious, homemade chocolate. And these are the ingredients that I'll be needing today. 500 grams of sugar, 450 grams of milk powder, 125 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 150 ml of water. I'll also be using a saucepan, a spatula, a pie dish, and I need some baking paper. First thing I'm doing is add the sugar, the cocoa, and the water and boil them for exactly 7 minutes. So I put it on medium, and after it starts boiling, I'll mix it for exactly 7 minutes continually. So now it just started boiling, so I'm going to mix continually and boil it for exactly 7 minutes. So I'm mixing all the way to the bottom to make sure that it's not going to be sticking. So it's almost ready. So the 7 minutes is done and my chocolate syrup is ready. So I let this cool for just about 30 seconds and I'm going to put my butter in and mix it until all the butter is well incorporated. Now my butter is very well incorporated. So the secret with the milk powder, if you boiled the syrup a little bit longer, more water evaporated, that means you don't need all the milk powder. So that's why I add half first, mix, see if I need it all, and so on. So now I'm adding half of it. I'll give it a good mix and see. So I put another half from that. And pretty much I may need the whole milk powder. When the chocolate looks like this, that is good enough. So now I'm going to put the chocolate in the pie dish. I put the chocolate in and I had some oil in a dish, so I pressed it down easily. But this is the part where I'm moving very fast because otherwise the chocolate will settle and you can't put it nice. So now I'm just gonna put the baking paper on top and sort of make it smooth. So now I'm gonna keep it here for about half an hour to cool down. Then I'm going to keep it in the fridge for a few hours for the butter and the sugars to settle. So after a few hours left in the fridge, my chocolate is ready to be cut. And here is where you can be creative. You can cut it in whatever shape you like. I'll just cut it not too big bites. So here's the final product of homemade chocolate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you some other times. Bye!